In network analysis and synthesis, first we will go through that is the network and the circuit. A network and a circuit, as we know that in any electrical network there is a possible interconnection of electric circuit elements or branches is known as the network or the circuit. An electric circuit is a closed energized network. Now the second term is the lumped network. A network in which physically separated resistor, capacitor and inductors are present is known as a lumped network. Similarly, the distributed networks are those networks in which the resistor, capacitor and inductors are not electrically separated to each other and they are not electrically isolated also present in the network. Such example is for that the transmission. A transmission line is such a network for the distributed network. Circuit elements that the resistor, capacitor, inductors are the circuit elements, and potential source that is a hypothetical generator which maintains its value of potential independent of the output current. Now the current source, a generator which maintains its output current independent of the voltage across its terminal. We can buy a potential source and it is available for the common user, but the current source is not possible for the common user. And there are some terms like mesh and loop and node and junction. As we know, for the KVL analysis, we use the mesh analysis, and for the KCL, we go through the KCL. For the mesh, we will go through the KVL, and for the nodal analysis, we will go through the KCL. And a mesh is a set of branches forming a closed path with the omission of any branch making path open. This is not known as the loop. A loop